ఇవాళ మనం టెన్సెస్ యొక్క ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ చూద్దాం. టెన్సెస్లో మొదటిగా ప్రెజెంట్ టెన్స్. ప్రెజెంట్ టెన్స్లో సింపుల్ ప్రెజెంట్. సింపుల్ ప్రెజెంట్ యొక్క ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ మనం చూద్దాం. The sun sets in the west. All the cars stop at this crossing. Michael teaches social studies in the school. The notice reads no parking. Rajdhani leaves at 7 in the morning. These are the examples of simple present. Now, present continuous. Please wait for a moment. Shyam is talking to Mary. We are late. He will be waiting for us at the restaurant now. Mom, I am playing football. Are they still living here? She is having her breakfast now. These are the examples of present continuous. Present perfect tense. For almost 5 generations, my family members have been engineers. In order to avoid delays in my work, I have been doing it regularly. I have always wanted to ride on this vehicle. Present perfect continuous. I have been eating apples today. You have not been studying for the past month. We haven't been playing with Mary since Tuesday. These are the examples for present perfect continuous. ఇప్పుడు వరకు మనం ప్రెజెంట్ టెన్స్ యొక్క 4 టెన్సెస్ యొక్క ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ మనం చూసాం. ఇప్పుడు పాస్ట్ టెన్స్ యొక్క 4 టెన్సెస్ యొక్క ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ మనం చూద్దాం. పాస్ట్ టెన్స్, అందులో సింపుల్ పాస్ట్. Kate worked in that office for almost 4 years. He passed away in 1999. He went for the movie yesterday. Three years ago, I studied at the Canada University. These are the examples of simple past. Now, past continuous. He was washing the dishes while she was cooking dinner. I was working at 11 p.m. yesterday. We were playing football when it started to rain. She was reading a thriller novel when I called her. These are the examples of past continuous. Now, past perfect. I had never seen such a beautiful before. She understood the movie only because she had read the book. Clara had never been to a club before last night. We did not get a room in the hostel because we had not booked in advance. These are the examples of past perfect. Now past perfect continuous. I had been playing the guitar all morning. I had been sleeping all the way from the beginning of the class. He had been trying to call her. Until this year, Neha had been going to a village school. These are the examples of past perfect. So this is all about past perfect. Now we go for future tense. In future tense, first one is simple future. You will be done before me. She will not come tomorrow. Will you come to play with me after school? I'll keep in touch with you. I'll reach home by 7 p.m. These are the examples of simple future. Now future continuous. Today she will be walking all the way to her house from her office. I will be watching the new movie next week. By this time tomorrow, I will be at my home watching TV. These are the examples of future continuous. Now, future perfect tense. You will have left for London by the time this bridge gets renewed. Calvin will have gone by the time you reach there by bus. I will have walked 15 kilometers by this time. These are the examples of future perfect. Now, future perfect continuous. Next Saturday, I will have been working on this assignment for 3 years. Tomorrow at this time, I shall have been playing cricket since morning. I will have been studying English for 2 hours by this time you arrive here. These are the total examples of 12 tenses. So if you want to make sentences more, write a tense like simple present, present continuous, present perfect. Write the sentence structure so that you will be able to make sentence formation very easily. Write the tense name and sentence structure later make sentences, so that you will make more sentences and you will learn tenses. Thank you.